sir. सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट पूरा सजिला ना
आज्ञा सर लिनियर बाइनर से सेगुड़ा को भी सज जाइतला
in this chapter you will be learn to implement a double linked list, implement a circular linked list, apply list to solve programming problem, right? A session रे हमें double linked list जानिबा, circular linked list जानिबा, and linked list शुरू कौन program तमरो solve ही परिबो से विषय रे हमें जानिबा, ठीक अछि? Consider a store sorted list of 1 lakh numbers stored in a linked list. If you want to display this number in ascending order, what will we do? Traverse the list starting from the first node. ये कबाटा बंद कर नितो ए नितो नितो जोटा बंद कर Now consider cases in which you need to display this number of descending order. How will you solve this problem? Each node is linked to the next node in sequence. This means that you can traverse the list in the forward direction only. Such a linked list is called as a single linked list, right? हमें जोड़ा करी जे धरा 1 लाख लिस्ट रु हमें डाटा को सर्च करबा जदि हमें डबल लिंक लिस्ट विषय रे जानि नै धरो हमें गोटे लिस्ट को हमें सर्च करछे तो सीक्वेंशियल जेतरा हमें 1 बाय 1 सर्च करबे ताको जा हम सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट to display the number of descending order you need to reverse the linked list जदि मते गोटे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर रे मते सर्च करिवार अछि ताले मते सेही लिस्ट रो रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे पण मते आसीबार अछि जोटा कि मोर सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट होय सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट कोन अगेन पुनी मूल रु आसी से रिवर्स ऑर्डर जाय खाली फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन बुझला आई गोइंग टू रिवर्स ए सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट जोटा कि हमर बहुत डिसएडवांटेज अछि जेमते एठी मोर एटा गोटे लिस्ट अछि राइट ताको हमें रिवर्स ऑर्डर रे करबा declare three variable or pointers ptr1 ptr2 and ptr3 like if there is one node in the list that is exit make the first node in the list as ptr1 make the successor of ptr1 as ptr2 mark the successor of ptr2 as ptr3 make the next field of ptr1 point to null make the next field of the ptr point to null then make the next field of the ptr2 point to the ptr1 right then repeat until ptr3 becomes null set ptr1 equal to ptr2 eta बहुत माने लेंथी प्रोसेस हो गोटे पर गोटे कला
हां सर माने गोटे पर गोटे मूव करि चलिया पड़िबो ptr1
लेंथी प्रोसेस हो गोटे पर गोटे तमे कला आसी बहुत लेंथी प्रोसेस हो तो आकू what is the problem with this algorithm previous algorithm you need to adjust the link for all the three variables whenever you visit the next node disadvantage of this approach is inefficient and time consuming for large list how can you solve this problem this problem can be solved if each node in the list hold the reference of its preceding and the next node in the sequence. डिसएडवांटेज को ओवरकम करिया पे हमरो गोटे सॉल्यूशन हमरो बाहि पारे हैं गोटे मिनिट शाश्वत गोटे मिनिट Okay, how can you solve this problem? This problem can be solved if each node in the list hold the reference of its corresponding preceding node. In addition, to its next node in the sequence. Gote node jodi dita address rakhibo mane taro next node sequence rakhibo and taro previous node jodi sequence rakhibo mane address ta jodi rakhibo tahale mate au ette jatra karibaro na, right? But in the double linked list re dita node re moro null first node ro previous re moro null rahibo and last node ro next re moro null bujla. Single linked list re moro गोटे null point रहउतला जोटा कि होची लास्ट रो नेक्स्ट पार्ट टा मरो null रहउतला. Consider the following list. You can introduce an additional field in each node of a single linked list which would hold the address of its previous node. Such type of list is known as a double linked list, right? It also more double linked list जे कि तार next node रो भी sequence रखছে and तार previous node रो भी sequence रखছে. And first node रो previous टा मोर null अछि, last node रो next टा मोर null अछि. बुझला? How does the representation of node in a double linked list differ from the single linked list? Unlike single
फिर
linked
मैंने
list,
दीटा
nodes
नोड था
hold the
एक थी
address of
आउ
only the next node in the list. Each node in the double linked list that is holds to the next node in the sequence, next node address and right. At I go to traverse double linked list in the forward direction. It also forward direction. Forward direction double linked list same as the single linked list. Right. I'm going to traverse a double linked list in forward direction. এটা হচ্ছে তার ফরওয়ার্ড ডিরেকশন जोड़ा तमरो सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट रो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन जोड़ा थिला एठी भी सेम फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन द सेम. Right, and I go to traverse a double linked list in the backward direction. I'll go to traverse a double linked list in the backward direction. Eta tara make the last node in the list as current node. Repeat step 3 and 4 until current node becomes null. Display the information contained in the node marked as current node. Make current node point to the node preceding it. A node can be inserted at any of the following position in a double linked list, that is beginning, between and end. Similarly, more single linked list. Right, and I'll go to insert a node in the beginning of a double linked list. Algorithm to insert a node in the beginning of a double linked list. Allocate memory for the new node. देखो ये मोरो beginning के मोरो insert होगा. Allocate memory for the new node. Assign the data field of the new node. Right. make the next field of the new node point to the first node in the list. Eita moro eiti ki moro link hobo, right? Make the previous field of the new node point to the null, aku null karibo, right? And make the previous field of the start point to the new node, right? Start color, then null color, accept color, right? Write an algorithm to insert a node between two nodes in a double linked list. Same जिनसो जते जदि मते
सिंगल लिंक सर
मैं सर्च करिवार अछि
मतलब प्रोसेस
कोठी मोर इंसर्ट हबो देन मु इंसर्ट
ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରୋସେସଟା ଏକା ଯେମିତି ସିଙ୍ଗଲ
हां
ଲିଙ୍କ
प्रोसेस
ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ଖାଲି କଥା ହଉଛି ଏଠି ଦିଟା ନୋଡ୍ ଆସି ଯାଉଛି ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ଗୋଟେ ନଲ୍ ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା
algorithm to insert a node between two nodes in a double linked list. एटा होची प्रथमे सेम जिनसो सर्चिंग पई सेम लॉजिक तमरो तापर तमरो डिफरेंट अछि. Insert 16. Identify the node between which the new node is to be inserted, mark them as previous and current respectively. To locate previous and current, execute the following step. Make current point to the first node, make previous point to null, previous equal to null. Repeat step D and E until current.info is greater than to the new node.info or current equal to null. Right? Check karibo se. Make previous point to the current, make current point to the next node in sequence. Then again it will be checked it current.info is greater than to the new node.info. If it is a not, then previous point to the current and current point to the next node in sequence. Then again it will be checked. Now it will be true, right? Allocate the memory for the new node, assign the data field of the new node, then make the next field of the new node point to the current, right? Make the previous field of the new node point to the previous, then make the previous field of current point to the new node, make the next field of the previous point to the new. Bas, dekhala. Jula. What is the problem with this algorithm? If a current is null, then the new node should be inserted at the end of the list. However, in this case, step 6 will give an error. This is because null cannot have a previous field. Therefore, you need to modify the algorithm so that you can also insert a node at the end of the list. कौन modify करिबो खाली check कर दबो if current is not 6 number year रे खाली if current is not null यदि current not null ताले make the previous of current point to the new node खाली इतकी खाली करिया अछि right गोटे point रे logic. Insert 23 check करिबो exact location कोडी अछि मोर एबे मोर insert माने location पाई गेला. Then allocate the memory for the new node, assign the data field of the new node, make the next field of the new node point to the current, right? Then make previous field of the new node point to the previous. If current is not null, then make the next field of the previous point to the new. Write an algorithm to insert a node at the end of a double linked list that contains a variable last to keep track of the last node, right? जेमती हमरो beginning रे insert करिया पे हेले हमकु start बोली गोटे variable declare करिवार अछि existing list रे सेमिति जदि मते end रे जदि मते list रो end रे जदि मते जदि insert करिवार अछि त last बोली गोटे variable मते list रो end रे मते गोटे variable ता display करिवार अछि माने declare करिवार अछि. Algorithm to insert a node at the end of a double linked list. Allocate the memory for the new node. Assign the value to the data field of the new node. Make the next field of the new node marked as last point to the new node. Make the previous field of new node point to the node marked as last. Make the next field of the new node point to the null. then make the new node as last. Delete करिया ପାଇଁ same जिनसो beginning, between and end रे. Right, and I'm going to delete a beginning of a double linked list. That was मोर list मु 10 टाको मु end करिया ପାଇଁ माने delete करिया ପାଇଁ चाहे. ताले मु कोन करबी current value गोटे डिक्लेयर करबी या फिर start मु को मु एटा को दे देबी and r previous नो पॉइंट टाको null कर दूं तो ए लिंक टा कटि जो तो delete हे जो. हला देखो, make the first node in the list as current. Make start point to the next node in sequence. If start is not null, right? Null कर दला. Release the memory of the current. Between ने देखो. Between ने same जिनसो प्रथमे list रे सही node टा को search करिबो कोठी अछि तापर से delete करिबो. तापर delete करिया पे बहुत easy. Delete 17 टा जब मु delete करिबी it means कोन 15 रो next टा को मु successor को दे देबी, right? And 20 रो previous टा को मु 15 को दे देबी. हे गला मोर ए नोट टा delete हे गला. प्रथमे सर्च करिबो, सर्च कर दबो से सेम सर्चिंग पे सेम. Make the next field of the previous point to the successor of current. हे गला. Then make the previous field of the successor point to the current current point to the previous. Then release the memory. जोटा मु तुमको बुझू. बुझला?
सर माने एडी आपण एंती 10 15 17 20 नै कि करछंती तो जेम जोटे बड़ सीक्वेंस बहुत बड़टे थिबो तो डबल लिंक लिस्ट और सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट
बा लॉजिक एटा सर्च करिया पे
किंतु टाइम सर टाइम टेकिंग होबन माने आपण गोटे पर गोटे देखि देखि जाउछंती
केमिति तम पे लॉजिक लिखिबो तमे सर्चिंग पई ओवरऑल तमरो जते बड़ लिस्ट थाओ सर्चिंग पे गोटे लॉजिक तमे लिखिबो एटा लॉसी जो लॉजिक लिखिबो कंप्यूटर ऑटोमेटिकली सेटा सर्च करिबो हला ता पई से सीक्वेंशियली तुमको माने प्रत्येक नोड पई तुमको लॉजिक लिखिया दरकार नै तमे सिंगल लॉजिक लिखिबो ताको लूप रे चलेबो ताको लूप रे चले तमरो एग्जीक्यूट होबो जोटा तमरो फाइंड हे गेला ताको तमरो फाइंड हला आगुरु कोन थिला जे ये मानकरे मते प्रत्येक टी नोड पई लॉजिक लिखिया पड़ो तो सेटा होची टाइम टेकिंग. That is the problem with this algorithm. Same last null value. If the last node is to be deleted from the list, then step 3 will give an error, right? This is because the successor of current is null, therefore it cannot have a previous field. Then read the modified algorithm. Say 3 re khali deichi se gote point deichi. If successor of current is exit, then make the previous field of the successor of current point to the previous. Plus a P karibar achi. Let us suppose you are developing an action game in which a player circular linked list hame kali padiba eta double linked list sarla mu आज संडे इवनिंग रे तुमको सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट और डबल लिंक लिस्ट प्रोग्राम दे देबी C++ कोडिंग C++ सेटा को जो करिवो सेम माने जोटा तमे एल्गोरिथम पला ताकू नै कि लॉजिक हला
सर जो क्वेश्चन ना देती ता टिके एल्गोरिथम मते पठे देबे तो मु
काली सखाळे पठे देबी सेटा हला काली सखाळे पठे देबी सेटा हला
आज्ञा सर आज्ञा आज्ञा थैंक यू सर थैंक यू